Alright, well, I'm working on this Emporer TS3010. Seen better days. This is a first for me, though. Anybody see this mod done before? Look at this. I'm assuming this is some sort of battery, because everything is just peeling. I have no idea what's going on here, but I've never seen a mod like this before. It's so weird. It's I'm assuming there's a battery in there, or maybe a couple batteries, but that had leaked, and it looks like it's going to this one wire. It looks like it's going to the 7808 regulator here, and then this white wire that was coming out of it is going, it's rotted off. It was going to this resistor right here, in series with a diode connecting down to the board. Any thoughts on what that could possibly be? So strange. Well, I'm going to dig deeper into this. Like I said, I've never seen this done before, but whatever it is, it's done pretty horribly. The whole side of the radio is just corroded with battery acid. Look at this, just leaked out, just peeled the paint right off the side of the radio. I'm not sure if there's any damage done to the board, but interesting, to say the least. Alright, let me open this up and see what's going on in there. Alright, well, I've officially seen everything that could possibly be done to a CB radio. Yeah, I don't know why, but it's a first. Definitely a first. I'm surprised this thing hasn't eaten away at the rest of this radio, but man, let me tell you, I didn't think I'd ever see something like this. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to continue on here and evaluate this radio for the customer, but I just wanted to document that. Crazy.